We're Kathy and Paula from Sewing Connection. We're a CIC. We do a lot for charity. We do a lot of equipment that can get used in hospices and in hospital wards, often for the terminally ill. To fund that, we run a lot of paid classes as well.
So this charitable stuff that you can see here today, almost all of that, none of that has been bought fabric. That's donated fabric, or what you call dead stock, which is like surplus to requirement. So it's all things that would be in landfill if we weren't using them, but we're turning them into usable items and they'll all be donated to charity. So we don't make what we think and then say, where's this going? We get asked to make things. Yeah. So it comes from the top down. So we're not just sitting here making stuff and then going,
where's it going?
Where can we donate this? It's already got a home before it's made.
People get involved by choosing the project that they want to work, and I try to cut everything out and share it out. But the girls do a lot themselves. You can see when you come in, they're all cutting away. They get involved with the project that they're passionate about. So they might be passionate about children in crisis, so they make a lot of that. We have people who are very passionate about the drainage bags because they've had people they've lost at a hospice, so they'll make a lot of them. Our name is important as well. We chose Sewing Connection. It was to bring people together.
Yeah, because that's as important to us.
Important.
Yeah. And so people who come here, it is very much a social thing as well. They're coming here to learn to sew, but it's about that. We're building a community, so people are here to be together.